Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Izami from team members ADAS Group. I would like to discuss about scalability analysis tools. We all agree to select 3 scalability analysis tools to discuss, and after discussion we all need to choose 2 tools for next demo video. Introduction. Scalability analysis tools. A hard real-time system has the dual responsibility of producing correct results and meeting deadlines, guaranteeing that real-time software will meet its timing requirements. A process well known as scalability analysis is an integral and important part of real-time software development. Scalability analysis provides guarantee measure of timing requirements. However, this kind of a priori verification at yearly pace of design must be complemented with the issue concerning the implementation timing cost and the actual performance parameters. In reality, there is a significant gap between the theoretical result and the implementation of real-time scheduling algorithms on systems consisting of real processor and real operating system. First scheduling analysis tools I want to explain is a MAST. MAST is an open source set of tools that enables modeling real-time applications and performing timing analysis of those applications. The MAST model can be used in a UML design environment to design real-time applications, representing all the real-time behavior and requirements together with the design information, and allowing an automatic scalability analysis. Secondly, MAST input and output models are fully described by meta models that enable the integration of tools in a modern driven engineering tool chain, compliant with the MARTE industry standard. Features of MAST. Firstly, a very rich model of the real-time system is used. It is an event-driven model in which complex dependence patterns among the different tasks can be established. For example, tasks may be activated with the arrival of several events, or may generate several events at their output. This made it ideal for analyzing real-time systems that have been designed using UML or similar design tools, which have event-driven model of the system. Secondly, the latest offset-based analysis techniques are used to enhance the result of the analysis. These techniques are much less pessimistic than previous scalability analysis techniques for distributed systems. Thirdly, the toolset is open source and fully extensible. Fourthly, the tools support the analysis of both hard and soft timing requirements, respectively, through the response time analysis tools and the event-driven simulation tool. This is one of example GUI of the MAST. Secondly, tools I want to explain is UPAL, UPPAAL. UPAL is an integrated tool environment for modeling, validation, and verification of real-time system model as networks of time automata extended with data types, bounded integers, array, and other else. UPAL consists of 3 main parts. Firstly, a description language. Secondly, a simulator. And thirdly, model checker. UPAL is written in C++ and Java. Operating system is currently available for Linux, Sun OS, and Windows 95, 98, and NT. Features of UPAL: a graphical system editor allowing graphical description of system, a graphical simulator which provides graphical visualization and recording of the possible dynamic behavior of a system description. In example, sequence of symbolic state of the system. It may also be used to visualize trace generated by the model checker. A requirement specification editor that also constitutes a graphical user interface to the verify. A model checker for automatic verification of safety and bounded liveness properties by reachability analysis of the symbolic state space. Okay, this is example GUI of the UPPAAL tools. The last tool I want to discuss is TIMES. TIMES is a modeling and scalability analysis tool for embedded real-time system. It is appropriate for systems that can be described as a set of preemptive or non-preemptive tasks, which are triggered periodically or sporadically by time or external events. It provides a graphical interface for editing and simulation and engine for scalability analysis. Features of TIMES: a graphical editor for time automata extend-which tasks, which allows the user to model system and the abstract behavior of its environment. In addition, the user may specify a set of preemptive or non-preemptive tasks. A simulator, in which the user can validate the dynamic behavior of the system and see how the tasks execute according to the task parameters and a given scheduling policy. A verifier for scalability analysis, which is used to check if all reachable states of the complete system are schedulable, that is, all tasks instant meet their deadlines. A code generator for automatic synthesis of C code on Lego OS platform from the model. This is one of the example GUI of the TIMES tool.